Okay, here is the test of my SoundTraxx Tsunami 2 install for this, part of my documentation. So what we have is we were using the existing getup and contraption here that was in the Intermountain locomotive. And so here's what I've done here. Only thing different is I haven't put in the other LEDs that I'm doing, but I can show you the trucks, the LED trucks, lights here in a little bit. Let's see here. There they are. See? They look a little bright, but I've got them set to dim down. And then here is the, that's going to be the ditch lights. Okay. And then we have, this is going to be the number boards. Okay. And so I've got my other resistors set up in place. I haven't hooked them up. They're going to be to the step lights and walkway lights. So let's go ahead and fire up. Oh, one other thing. That is an iPhone speaker stuck between the metal cheeks of this frame here. Hope that's appropriate to say, but just stuck that in there, and that's where my sound's gonna come from. I would like to have used others, but other types of speakers, but you know what? I'm a poor man, and that was really cheap when I got it. So this is how I keep frugal in the hobby. So let's start her up. There's some power here. So at this stage is where I always test my models. Make sure it's like the halfway point. Just kind of give it a go. Sound there, sound check. So far everything's connected, and so next what I'm going to do is going to take you to where I've set up the LEDs on the frame, which is the other part of this. These wires, I'll make sure they're all nice and neat. I'm not capturing anything, but there are my resistors. Two of those are 10K resistors, and for the rest of the model here. So that's about where we stand. My Tsunami 2 install. Again, that is an iPhone speaker. I hope I don't get disqualified for using it, but that's what I have, and I can't get anything shipped here faster. But it's just my way of being frugal. It cost me about all of what, barely $1 for that. It's like 87 cents. Okay. All right, let's shut her down.